Panama. Panama was a dream. Panama was a dream when we started. Panama was a dream when we started.
We believe that this area is one of the areas in the world that really needs a change and really needs the opportunity that we can actually provide them.
Esta ha sido la mejor experiencia de mi vida en 14 años de experiencia en network marketing.
No cabe duda que los eventos cambian vidas.
I'm so excited to be here in Panama with everyone.
Ha sido espectacular.
Everything fits, it feels like I'm part of an amazing project.
It is something that we need to do together, we as a company and also the people in this area. We need to build the community together to really make it happen.
Everything you don't know, you cannot share with your team to build a big organization. So today is very important to focus.
I'm going to introduce to you somebody really special, the founder of a company. Please everybody stand up and give it up for the CEO, Mr. Neil Grossman!
This is the most honest and effective way to earn and help others.
We've been trained by the best leaders in this industry in direct sales and in cryptocurrency.
And I want SkillX to be able to help you, which is why we come up with this platform that gives you the missing piece that connects education with the personal challenges in your life.
We always, every day seems missing something. We want to be more complete.
SkillX, where you can become the one destined to be.
Totally new approach to educational courses.
Everybody knows that when you are not inspired, you need to find your inspiration. Was one of the events that will create history.
Gran liderazgo corporativo y sobre todo una proyección para los próximos años de nuestra compañía.
Mr. Chris Reyes!
It's just incredible to do it with these people.
Everything is possible for those who believe.
In SuccessFactory, in our community, we have people who want to be successful, who are ambitious, who want to be better, who want to improve, who want to have more every single day. I am one of those persons. Who else is one of those persons?
Everything that has been promised has been made.
The company really proves and they really showed what they said.
Se hace realidad los compromisos que la compañía hizo hace unos meses con nosotros. Llegó el momento para hacer que esto explote y detone.
We are hot.
Extremely hot outside.
Not only because our logo is the fire.
Extremely hot inside.
But also because we had some amazing days with exciting trainings.
Because of the newsies, the trainings.
We are the company that put out the fire, that enlightened the world.
Say yes to your dreams. Say yes to your goals.
The Almighty Eagle!
But I'm here to change life, a lot of people's life, and it starts from the leadership. There is such an incredible feeling. 1, 2, and 3.
We could celebrate the success of the people.
The magic works, and what you have been praying for everyone starts coming to you.
increíble, wonderful.
Es espectacular.
It's all about you.
We launched a community of successful thinking and called it SuccessFactory.